Hey everyone, what's up? It's PSA Rowdy. What's up, YT? What's up, all YT? Check it out. Check out my environment. Check out outside. Check out what's good. What's good, everyone? But welcome to a brand new video unboxing. This is what I'm gonna unbox: a backbone from PlayStation for the iPhone. Official PlayStation. Let's go. So I'm gonna unbox this right away. Show everyone. This is what it looks like. So let's go and unbox it, because I'm using my phone right now. That's what it looks like right there and right there. And this is what it really looks like standing up. So let's go and unbox it. I don't know where to start from, but we gotta get the plastic off. So let's go get this plastic off. Like so. Here, I'll put my phone right here. Put up so my phone doesn't fall. I forgot my selfie stick. I needed it. So let's go take this plastic off. Like so. I took all the plastic off first. I'm being very careful. I'm being very careful. I don't want to, like, you know what I mean? There you go, plastic off. Voila. Still in the box. Still in the box, like so. I don't know what's going on with the box. Alright, I know, just slide up. It just slide up like so. Oop, oop, oop. And it's in this backbone box. Backbone. Oh my goodness, it smells so nice. Wow, voila. That's what it looks like. YT. The controller over here. Oh, don't knock out the controller. Don't knock out the phone. And got the other controller over here. Let's go see, what is this? We got a little package right here. Let's go take that off. See what this is all about. What do you think this is all about? It's an adapter. I don't know what this adapter is for. So let's go take a look at this adapter. Pop it open. Shake it out, like so. Oh, that's cool. It's like a little, you know what I mean? An extra, like, small phone. But we need that. Let's go take out the backbone. So we need no safety and stuff. This is what? It's, I don't know what this is, but it was just laying right there like that. It's probably a guide. Snap-in guide. But look at that. Oh my goodness. That's crazy. It just like, you know what I mean? It just like, boom, boom. It's like spring lock. Or spring loaded or something like that. I wonder if I could always use this adapter. But where does this adapter goes? Where is this adapter from? Yeah. Where does it go? Right there? Where it goes right there? Oh, is it plastic? That's cool, it's plastic. Yeah, where the adapter goes right there. I'm gonna use it because I got a small phone. Check out the triggers. Triggers are like, you know what I mean? Nice. Especially the bumpers. The bumpers, like, you know what I mean? It's like an Xbox controller, like the analog sticker, like, you know what I mean, up there. But that's all YT. That's all YT. That's all we got. Bye-bye.
knows exactly when to turn around, and it was done perfectly. I don't know how many times they practiced.